I'm LegenDarion, and this is How to Get Waves. The spray bottle is probably one of your most essential things because you have to keep your hair moisturized. That's something that some people act like they are just allergic to, is to putting something in their hair. Moisturizing your hair is very important, which is why you need to constantly spray before every brush. Water. Now when it comes down to the pink oil moisturizer, you can do it either two ways. You can either put it in your hair and scalp invigorate it in, or you can pour it in the bottle as I did, along with the other oils. Oils come in different varieties. You can choose whichever one you like. Peppermint oil and vitamin E. Don't forget to get your brush strokes in. 100 in the morning when you wake up, and 100 before you go to bed at night. Make sure you use that scalp invigorator to get down in deep into those pores. You want to get down to the roots of the hair. So as your hair grows, it's already been in the habit of waving up. Continue to brush. Brush, brush, brush. Now when it comes up to putting your do-rag on, you gotta make sure that you do things right and methodically. The silky do-rag has to be on the side with the stitching out because you don't want to have a line going vertically on your head. I like to put the do-rag on completely on my head with no space. I don't want nothing in the top. So when I put the headband on, it will hold it in place. You might have to do a few adjustments here and there, but that's okay. The dome cap goes right on top of the headband. Fold it over if you need to, but this will give you the compression that you need. Now the next thing you do, which is very key, is you flip it over and keep your straps flat. If your straps are not flat, you will lose compression, and also you will have a nasty rope line across your forehead. So remember to keep your straps flat. So you learned exactly what goes in the bottle, and you learned exactly how to put a do-rag on. There's more information to come, more knowledge to give. So what I need you to do is subscribe so that you can be next in line to learn the next step in how to get waves.